Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a beauty tool that's been getting a ton of attention, the Todd Sonicsmooth Pro Plus Dermaplaning System. If you've ever struggled with peach fuzz, uneven skin texture, or dullness, this device promises smoother, brighter, and softer skin right at home. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Sonicsmooth Pro Plus has a sleek, modern design with an LED light that helps you see exactly what you're doing. It comes with 16 dermaplaning blades and 2 microsmooth exfoliation tips, so you're set for multiple sessions without having to restock right away. It's lightweight, easy to hold, and definitely feels like a professional beauty tool made for at-home use. Dermaplaning with the Sonicsmooth Pro Plus is simple but effective. The tool uses sonic technology that delivers micro vibrations to gently and safely remove dead skin cells and unwanted facial hair. That means your skin not only feels smoother but also looks brighter. Plus, it helps skincare products absorb better and makeup apply more flawlessly. What sets this system apart is its ability to deliver professional-level results without the spa visit. Users report an instant glow, softer skin, and improved texture. The LED light is a game-changer because it ensures precision, especially around tricky areas like eyebrows and the upper lip. And with the extra blades included, you're covered for months of regular use. The Sonicsmooth Pro Plus is built with safety in mind. The blades are designed specifically for dermaplaning, so you don't have to worry about nicks and cuts. It's quick to use, easy to clean, and compact enough to take on the go. Whether you're a beginner or someone already familiar with dermaplaning, this tool is super user-friendly. This device is perfect for women who want to maintain smooth, fuzz-free skin without booking constant spa treatments. It's especially great if you deal with dullness, dry patches, or want your makeup to look more flawless. If glowing, even skin is your goal, this might just be the tool you've been waiting for. So there you have it, the Todd Sonicsmooth Pro Plus Dermaplaning System. With its LED precision, multiple replacement blades, and sonic technology, it really stands out as a powerful at-home skincare solution. If you're ready to upgrade your beauty routine, I'll leave a link in the description so you can check it out for yourself. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more beauty and gadget reviews, and let me know in the comments if you'd try dermaplaning at home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.